Hi, this is the nerd unboxing of the Nerd Block Jr. And first, we have an Angry Birds Star Wars Death Star phone dinger. And you can have 10 to collect, says there, right there. Secondly, we have a Mario Brothers Deluxe Enemy Danglers, and they have come with tiny keychains on them. And then we have Ben 10 figures. They're like 8 styles. Then we have a Spider-Man flashlight. We have a spider on there, and there's all kind of different lights you can put on. And this is a plush figure, like tiny launcher from Skylander Giants. And lastly, this is the Owl Summer Fun for kids. And thanks for stopping by the review bar, guys. Thanks, bye.